since high school. So, best friends.
Thank you.
Ito idol ko to kaya ako nagkatato dahil dito.
Ayan, kapatid ko.
Siyempre ito, investment sa akin ito. Ito yung importante. Lagi siyang dito, nakikinig ng problema sa akin.
Okay na po. Ay, ito pala! Ito si Mara, Patricia.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today.
Una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na pinahapos niya tayo sa pagkakataon to. I am so grateful na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Nagpapasalamat ako na lagi ka nandyan parati para gabayan. Sir mo na, alagaan ako.
Today, as I stand before you, I vow to love you unconditionally, to support you in all your endeavors, and cherish every moment we share together.
Mula nung naglipin tayo, dun ko nakita sa iyo yung wife material ba na maalagain, responsabling asawa, aalagaan ako sa oras na may sakit. Parati kang nandyan, lalo pag na-aksidente ako sa motor. Sobrang appreciate ko lahat ng effort mo.
Ipinapangako ko na paglalaba kita at ipaglilinis pero hindi ang pagluluto at paghuhugas ng pinggan. Maraming salamat sa pagpapatunay kung gaano mo ako kamahal, never mo akong binigyan ng sakit sa ulo at sinaktan. With you by my side, I know that our future will be bright and full of endless possibilities. I look forward to growing old with you, to experience all that life has to offer, and loving you more deeply each passing day.
Through all the strong winds, what a beautiful night, dark like a new moon, still glowing with light. The days have gone colder, but there is a warmth when everything's empty.
Mula high school, college, magkasama tayo hanggang thesis, group activities, napakaraming pagsubok ng dumaan, lagi naman nating nalalampasan. Tayo pa ba, diba strong tayo?
From the moment na nagkabalikan tayo, I knew you were the one I wanted to spend the rest of my life. You are my rock, my best friend, my greatest blessing, and my favorite person.
Pangako ko sa iyo na magiging mabuti akong asawa, magsisilbihan ka, aalagaan ka, poprotektahan, at itsundo sa trabaho, pagluluto ng paborito mong pagkain. Pangako, lagi akong nandito sa inyo nila Eloy at Ellie.
Literal na ikaw ang aking pahinga sa nakakapagod na mundo. Nandito lang ako sa tuwing kailangan mo ng kausap or feeling mo tinatalikuran ka na ng mundo. I promise na alagaan ko kayong tatlo nila Eloy at mamahalin hanggang dulo.
How I wish you could stay. Tall trees, wild dreams, what to be. And I know, I can see all that you are, all that you are. What a beautiful night.
Pangako, mamahalin kita habang buhay sa abot ng aking makakaya. Mahal na mahal kita, sobrang saya ko na nangyari tong araw na to.
What a beautiful night. What a beautiful night.
now and forever. My husband, my favorite Taurus, you and our family are my everything.
You're a beautiful night.